Ladies and gentlemen, airBaltic flight BT683 in cooperation with Iberia to Barcelona is ready for boarding. Please proceed to gate B7.
This morning I had the chance to follow our ground operations, starting at the check-in desk to take some passengers, see the process. I followed then boarding a flight, a complete flight, and then I was with the flight coordinator finishing another flight. And it was this morning, and I have to say that I have a long list of things which I didn't know, which I know now, but also a lot of questions I still have. And it's very complex what we do in ground operations. We are far ahead in a lot of areas from others, but I also have many questions now which will help us to understand. And a great thank you to everybody involved, because we normally don't see on a daily basis all these little details and the issues. So it was a great experience, and I will do more of it, because it really helps to understand in the detail processes. It takes a month to be, for example, a check-in agent, to learn that. I cannot imagine, with all the different things I saw today, that you can learn that in 1 month. So big respect to everybody working there, and also the passenger, the interaction with the passengers. We as airBaltic do it ourselves, and I think this is a big upside compared if a handling agent does it. We deliver definitely a much better service with our own people, and we're gonna build on this and increase wherever we can the business direct with our passengers. So great experience. Thanks to everybody on the ground doing that job every day. It's not so visible for us every day, but today I got a good insight. Thank you.